Hello, and welcome back to Kitchen Counter Yoga. We've been working with our standing poses with Warrior One, reaching our legs forward and back, lifting from our lower abdomen, extending our arms up, lifting our sternum. And we've been working with Warrior Two, taking a wide stance, turning one leg out, one leg in, opening the thigh to the side, wrapping that thigh over, lifting our sternum and extending our arms. And we're going to extend our work with standing poses. These poses build strength in your legs, and now we're going to add strength in your upper body as well. So coming into Trikonasana, triangle pose. Let's begin. Taking a stance at your kitchen counter. Take your legs wide, just like Warrior Two. Turn your left foot out. Toes are pointing straight ahead. Turn your left foot in a little bit. Your heel is out, your toes are pointing in. And firm your legs towards the bone. Lift your lower abdomen and firm your legs towards the bone. Your hips are more or less pointing at an angle, so take your torso, your lower ribs, and turn it towards your kitchen counter. Breathing long, finding the steadiness in this stance. And then let's take our ribs and reach them over that front leg. Now be careful here. You don't just want your top ribs to extend, you want both ribs to extend. So trying to reach just as long with your lower ribs as you are with your upper ribs. Extending those ribs long over your front knee, reaching your torso long, letting your hand slide down that leg. Now for you, your hand may come to here, and that's fine. It may come to here, and that's fine, just as long as you're reaching, as long as you're getting that experience. You may be one of these people whose hand reaches all the way down to the floor, and your torso is completely parallel to the floor. I'm not going to demonstrate that. But if you're one of those people, reach long through that torso. Keep reaching long. Turn your chest up towards the ceiling. Strengthen your legs again. Strengthen your lower abdomen. If your steadiness is there for you, reach that arm up towards the ceiling. Breathing long. Take a couple of breaths here. Really enjoying the strengthening qualities of this pose. Then inhale, come up. Take your legs together. Shake them out. Deep restorative breath, and take your legs wide again. Turn your right foot out. We're coming to the other side. Left hand is on the counter. Navel lifts. Both ribs extend long. Your bottom rib extending, trying to extend just as long as your top ribs. Reaching over that front leg. Your hand comes down over that thigh or that shin. Lift your navel. Firm your upper thighs towards the bone. Find the steadiness in those legs, in that belly. And then lift your arm, looking up towards the ceiling to get a little bit more of a stretch. Turn your chest towards the ceiling, just as much as it wants to go. Then inhale, come up. Take your legs back together, shake them out. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Gaining strength now in our legs, in our upper body. This upper body strength is also going to help you in the Warrior One and the Warrior Two poses. It's going to allow you to lift even more out of those legs. So when next we meet, we'll come down to the mat, we'll leave the kitchen counter for a bit and work on the floor, which gives us exactly the same amount of support. I look forward to seeing you then. Namaste.